Okay. Can you hear me now? Okay.
Yeah.
So if you see here, let's say they're having some content are there. Let's say I'm putting the student and their like board and score. %. Okay, ma'am. Now, so let's say this is the one database we have. So first thing we are going to do, let's say suppose we have got some documents from the website. Okay, let me open some website. This is the website, and now let's say this is a google.com, right, ma'am? Now we are typing here something, say for example Wikipedia, right? Now Wikipedia will go, let's say they're having some text are there, right? Let's say this text we want to copy, and we want to paste there in that Excel. But if you copy this one, if you copy, let's say if you do copy like this, and after that let's say we will select this, and if you do copy, and if you go to that Excel, let's say you'll come here and you will paste. See, it's coming this way, right? Can you see that it's coming like this?
Yeah.
But what we want very nice way to it should present. So what we will do, Alt E and S. Okay, now if you go to the website, Alt E S, sorry, now if you select this, Alt E S, now you can copy this one, Control C. After that, when you will be going to that Excel, and you can type here Alt E S. Now what type of text you want to put? HTML, Unicode, or text? You want to put the normal text. Now can you check here, ma'am? Alt E and S when you are giving.
Yeah.
Now what way you want to paste? So you can paste here.
When you press Alt E and S, you get these three options.
Yes.
HTML. Okay.
Yeah. So you can write down the okay, already record is going on. You can check
Okay.
it. Alt E and S. This is that advanced shortcut. Right, ma'am?
Yeah.
Now, say for example, like whatever the database I have created, say for example, I want to put some comment. Let's say he got 95%, right? So now, I want to put some comment here. So for inserting some comment, what we are going to do? Shift plus F2. So we'll be going Shift then F2. Can you see here, ma'am? Can you check here? Like this is my computer name, that's why it is coming here. So now we can put some comment. This guy, this boy is intelligent. Fine. Now I can put the comment here. Now if you take your cursor here, immediately that it will be showing, yeah, what is that guy all about. Fine, ma'am?
Oh.
Let's say
Can you
anything.
do that again, please? Yeah.
Yeah, let's say I want to do for this. This guy is
Okay.
having a 65%.
Shift plus F2.
Yeah, shift then F2 if you do, so immediately that comment options will be coming. Mostly when you'll be working for any bank, let's say any people, he is not, he took the loan and he's not paying in time. So you can put in comment there, it's a irregular, he's not in regular, right? Is irregular or something issues are there. Let's say like you need to check with the team. So you can put the notification like this. Fine, ma'am?
Yeah. I'm writing it down. But
Yes.
you can continue.
Okay, so now after that, this is that insert some comments and all this. Then you can go for the go to. Go to will be that option. Say for example, like if you check here that control plus G for go to. Go to why we require. Say for example, you have run some formula here, right? You are running some formula. Let's say who is the maximum score or minimum score, equal to, you can put that max, and after that you can select that entire row, and after that you can find out who have got the maximum. 97 is the maximum here, right? Can you check here, ma'am?
Okay.
So yeah, now what you want, let's say whenever that let's say some other sheet you went, let's say this is the sheet number 1, sheet number 2, sheet number 3, it is there. Now when you will be going to some other sheet here, now you want that same formula will be working there. So in that case, what you have to do? So in that case, you have to run this formula, that is go to control G. Control G, if you do how it is working, let me show you. Control and G. Can you see here, ma'am? Go to option came, right?
Yeah.
Now if you put here, let's say if you click on that spatial, so it will be come up that spatial options. Can you see here, ma'am?
Yeah.
Now if you click on the formula, say if you click on OK, now immediately see formula got selected. Getting my point?
What formula got selected?
Yeah, let me come again. Say for example, I have deleted the formula, right? Say for example, this is that Excel sheet somebody have given you. Now they didn't told that what are the things they have to do. They told you have to make some changes. Now you don't know what command or what formula they have used earlier, right? Is that it?
Okay.
Now how we'll be finding what formula they are using? Let's say I'm completely new. I know only the formula how to execute, but whenever I have got that raw data, they are not telling what formula to use. They are only telling these are the changes you have to make, but based on what formula you have to change, right? So that thing if you want to do, so that time what you have to do, you have to go this control plus G.
Control plus G.
Say for example, I am running some formula here, equal to min, right? Now you will be going here. After that, you'll be selecting the entire part. After that, you will be close the bracket. While you will be giving enter out here, immediately you'll be able to see that it will be coming 65%. Like the person somebody who have got the 65, isn't it? Now, like now how I will be finding where is the formula. So then control and G, I'll go for the spatial. Then I'll be selecting the formulas. Immediately it will be select the formula what we have executed. Am I clear?
Okay, it also has other options like comments and all that.
Yes. Everything you can find from here. Let me show you. Lot many options you'll be getting. Say for example, contents. Any contents you want to find out, any row difference. Let's say you have finding out that so many rows are there. What are the difference between the particular rows? Let's say their numbers of the student, number of student, all that number of student, like that it is mentioned. So in that case, how to find out and all this. So this is that special go to. Don't forget this, ma'am. It will be very important. And somewhere it will be, you know, some people are very smart. They will be doing what? They will be where is the formula word? They will be invisible. They will be invisible, or they will be hiding that, you know, the code or something. So in that case, you'll be selecting this immediately. The what is the code will be there, so that will be visible in front of you. Is that fine, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes, so it will be very important. And after that, you know, like, you know, when will be, let's say, this is that row and this is that column, right? Now suppose, like, you know, some organization, they're having a billions of data will be there, so many rows, so many columns are there, right? So how you will be selecting particular row or particular column? So that, for that, what is the command? Selecting the row or column, shift plus space for the row. Sorry, shift like, you know, shift plus place space. Let me show you here. Let's say you will go here, shift and space. See, is selected. Now control plus shift, control plus shift. See, the row got, you know, row will be selected. Control plus space, row will be selecting, and shift, it will be selecting the column.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Hello. Hi, Kaka. Good morning. এই ক্লাস নিচ্ছি, বলো। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ। হুম হুম। আচ্ছা, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, সব ঠিকঠাক। হুম হুম হুম। পরে কথা বলবো কাকা। ঠিক আছে, ওকে। হুম হুম, ওকে। Sorry, ma'am. So now the thing is that,
Yeah.
okay, so the thing is that, let's say you want to select the row or you want to select the column. Now control, sorry. Now control plus space bar. See, it will be selecting the row. Is that fine, ma'am? Let's say you want to select this entire row. So control plus space bar.
This is control plus.
Yes, yes. Like plus means
So
combination of the both the keys. It's not like, you know, you have to you know, click the plus button also. I want to see them. I want to mean that if you want to select, you'll be typing
control plus say.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, one second. Control space. If you click on one cell, the row which was selected was vertical. Now
Yeah,
it's horizontal.
Yes, yes, yes. This is the vertical one. It will be get selected. Now, if you want to select the horizontal one, so it will be come up here. Now it will be shift and space bar. See, it's got selected. Fine, ma'am.
That's vertical, but how to select the horizontal one?
Horizontal one, it will be very easy. Like, you know, if you will be going control and space bar, it will be selecting. It will be going here, control and space bar. So it will be got selected.
Control and space?
Yes.
Confusing. I mean,
No.
confusing.
See this one. Let's say I want to select the student, this entire row I want to select, right? I'll be going here.
Yeah.
Now control and space. Done. Now what I want that, you know, I want to select like this way, right? So then I'll be going here. I'll giving shift and space bar. Is that fine?
So to select the horizontal one, you have to go to the topmost cell, is it?
Yes, yes, yes.
Only row one.
No. Anywhere. You'll be going anywhere. You can go. You can go here, and you can do this.
Sorry?
From anywhere you can select this. You'll be going that, let's say any student name and which board and what percentage you want to find out. So you'll be going here, then you'll shift and spacebar. See, it got selected.
Yeah, but how do you select only like this or like this? That's my question.
See, from the beginning I'm telling you. Say for example, entire this database you want to select. How will be doing? Control, Shift and Home, right? You'll be typing here,
Yeah.
Control plus Shift plus Home tab. Done.
Yeah. That is
So if you go
fine.
here and Control Shift and Home, see, it's got selected. Now
Yeah.
let's say I want to select only the student student tab, right? Enter student.
Yeah.
This I want to select. So I will take my cursor here and I'll be typing here Control Spacebar. See, it's got selected.
Okay. So you have to go to the first cell to select it.
Control
I mean horizontally, yeah.
plus spacebar. So it will be selecting entire vertical part. Vertically, it will be selecting.
Yeah.
Now, if you go here, now if you want to select that, Shift plus spacebar. If you do Shift plus spacebar, so it is going to select the horizontal. Fine, ma'am?
Okay.
Yes. Now let's say you'll select this and you'll be typing here Shift and spacebar. See, it's selected like that. Any queries, ma'am, now?
This is control and space.
Yeah. Another one is
This is,
Shift and space.
Shift and space. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Now, fine. Any problem in this?
Yeah. You can continue.
Okay. Now, few more things you'll be seeing this. Say, for example, this student is Santa and he is from UP. What we want to merge this. So you'll be going here, merge and center. Can you see here? If you click on this, lot many options will become. Unmerge the cell. If you do this, it will be unmerge. Now, if you go here, merge and across, you can do the merge. And after that, if you the merge and center, see, they become in the merge. They'll become in the single one. Actually, UP is there inside, but they have done merging, and one of the things will not be visible. Fine, ma'am. See this, it was that this guy he was from UP, right? He was from UP, isn't it? Now, when we
Yeah.
will be selecting both the rows, and after that we'll be going here and merge and center. So, see, so they have merged and it came in the center. Fine. Any
Okay.
problem in this?
Merge and center.
Say for example that
Merge and center will merge the cells into one cell.
yes. Only the name will be there, and regarding credential, it will be hide automatically. Say for example, some
Network.
Yes. Let's say some person are there. He is drawing some salary. So it's better not to show his salary when you are doing
1 second. There's
presentation. Getting my
network
point?
issue. Sorry, 1 second. Network issue.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you repeat?
Yeah. Let's say there's a margin center. Like in a margin center, say for example, let's say some person is here. Let's say now he is having some salary, he having some salary, he is having some salary, he having some salary, right? So when they take keeping that information about the salary. Now we are doing some presentation. So in that, like in that particular workbook, we don't want that it will be showing that salary in public. So what they want, this person against whatever the salary. Let's say this is the salary, this is the salary, this is the salary. So they don't want that this person will be that salary will be showing. So we'll be going what? Margin center. If you do it here, so see this. So only the name it will be showing, and actually the salary is also like included with this. Fine, ma'am.
So you can select more than 2 cells?
Yeah, more than 5 cells also you can select. Whatever the credential will be, only it will be reflecting with against the name. Fine, ma'am. Say for example, you can select this all, and you can go here the margin center. See, fine. You can do for all of them. You can do for all of them. You can go here and you can margin center. First I have done with the Akash, that's what it's not showing. Anyway, so it will be showing only the names. If you do only this, so only it will be showing the name only. Right? Let's say in this particular cell, if you do margin center, and like that.
But how come it's only, for example, you merged A, B, C, and 7 rows, right? A, B, C, and D rows.
Yes.
There you merged Akash CBSE 90%.
Yes.
But why is it only Akash C but not CBSE or 90? Can you make CBSE C and then merge Akash?
Yes, ma'am. I got your point. From that, you format as a table. Can you see here? Format as a table.
Yeah.
You'll be going there, and after that, you can select this format as a table. Now you can select from here what action you want to take, what you want to show, what you don't want. You can select from here. Let's say Akash, right? So you can select from here. Now you can select that entire. Let me show you. We'll be giving entire things and format as a cell. Now you'll go here. Now, fine, ma'am. Now you can rename this. You can rename it. Now, what do you want from here? Automatically, the tabular format added here. Let's say you want only for the Ravi. It will be coming only the Ravi's information. Now, let's say also you don't want this. Now, in that case, what do you want? Cell style. You can go here. Cell style. Now, let's say based on percentage, based on everything, input. You can select like this also. See, individually they have got selected, like when they're different style. Now, if you select that entire, you can go here. Now you can go here. Now you can select that good one. Yes, so it will be coming all the good. Now let's say anything you want to make some different way, you can select some different cells also. Control Shift and Home. If you go select all. Now you can cell style also you can change. So you can check the style, and the style you can change from here. And after that you can put the filtering in order to filter them very nice way. So you can, in that case, you can go here, sort and filter. It'll be custom sort. Can you see here, ma'am? Custom sort. Now you can select that add labels. What are labels you want to find out? Or else you can go to add and filter, and then you can go for filter. See this, ma'am? Already we have added the filter. Now you can find out the somebody's particular. So you will be getting somebody's particular details.
No, my doubt was when you showed merge and center. For example, you want this code, so only Akash was seen.
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
So my doubt was, why not hide Akash and show the mark? can we do that? How to do that?
Okay, got the point. So okay, fine, you want that, this when I'm doing hiding, so when you are coming margin center, so you are asking like, that marks should be showing not the Akash, but that according to
Oh,
the margin center, ma'am. So what is the preference they get? Mostly preference is whatever that the first column, whatever you will be keeping, so it will be highlighting that. Now if
only
you,
the first column.
yeah, only the first, let's say Akash, CBSC, and these marks were there, right? Now when you'll be selecting this, by default it will be highlighting only the Akash. Now you can do one thing. See, if you select this one and this one, say for example, over there one more thing I'm like, type in here, let's say hobby, okay, sorry, or want to be, or let's say passion, let's say this bookkeeping, computer games. Then you can type here, let's say cricket, or let's say fishing, cooking, traveling, ticket collecting, right? Now what do you want? You want to merge between this. Now see, by default what they will be telling, taking by default, it will be taking only the first one what we have selected, right? So now I have got your query. Now, in case if you, in case if you don't want this these things, actually you don't want this like, in case you want to modify like, modify, and you want to do by your own, let's say you will be making new rules and new formula, right, ma'am? So for that,
Yeah.
they're having a access, Microsoft access is there. With the help of that, you can find out whatever the particular stuff you want, like Microsoft access. With the help of that, that is the first primary database in like Oracle database is there, SQL is SQL database is there. Let's say if you think about the database, they are the number one in the world, like Oracle will be there, SQL will be there. After that, you will be having uh, NetApp, then like that, they're having a lot many databases are there. So now the primary database, like, people should learn, that is that Microsoft Access. So Microsoft Access, mostly they will be dealing with this Microsoft Access, like this kind of customizing things. So they will be allowing you to customize the things. They'll be creating some forms. You can create like whatever the things are there. They will be called as a form, FORM. They'll be telling at the form. Now you can create some private key there. Private key you can analyze there, and based on that key you can, make the changes. Let me give you the overview. Can you check here, ma'am? Microsoft, oh, sorry. Now if you go here, now MS Access, or access. If you type, yeah, it came. If you type the access also, it will come up. Now, can you see here, ma'am? The access. Now you want to make the what type of database here: business, personal, sample, education. Say for example, also feature online templates. Templates mean design. What type of design you want to make? Now I'll select here. Now by default, our name is coming assets. So you will select that. It will be downloading from the internet. Okay, so it's not create. Okay, fine. Now if you go here, if you create that some projects here, let's say you want to create some project. Actually it should download. Actually I am not using that paid version, so now that they are not giving permission to delete the templates is nothing but it's a design. Can you see here, ma'am, that table, it's a table is
What a, okay.
And if you are in paid version, like you are paid for that, then you will be going for access. You'll go to the access, and after that this kind of options will be coming. Then if you select the asset, it will be coming. It's nothing but it's a overview, I mean design. This is the page, whatever the let's say in a Microsoft PowerPoint, we can give lot many type of background, right, ma'am? So over here lot many backgrounds will become up, lot many design pictures will become up. That is the thing.
Okay.
So any problem in this? The contacts.
No.
Now this is that issues, like problem. This is that events, major project, like all that templates will become up. Like if you don't have that that access, then you'll be going to the blank database. So you'll be selecting the blank database, and after that you can select here. Let's say you will be creating. Let's say you want to make some report, right? Like report card after your exam. You have to find out some report card, right? So then how we'll be finding the report card? So right click on this, and if you rename the column, let's say names. Now you can grade. Now address or class. Fine. So this thing you want to send some let's say you want to put some name. Let's say grade A class 5. Now John grade B class 6. Grade A plus. Now you are making some report and you want to send them to some higher authority, right? Sorry. Now you'll be saving this one first. Now this is the table. You want to make it as a report. Now you have saved it. Now you'll be going to the report. Now you'll be selecting create. Now can you see here, from there you can create a form. Can you see here, ma'am? Now in that form, there will be having lot many type of designs are there. Can you see here? Report, different type of design is coming. Now, based on that design, you can lot many other design also you can make. Now you can go to the view. Now design view. These are the design you have, right? Now you can make that different types also you can select here. And after that it will be create, and after that report wizard. You can create some report. Let's say this is the ID and all this. So you can select all those this side. Now you can, this is the name, class, grade and all this. Ascending you will give. Now you can select that names. Then you can select that grade. Then you can select the class. Now next, tabular format, whatever the design you want. So you can give the design, then finish. Can you see here, ma'am? The report got created.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, like that, you know, you'll mark sheet you can create like any college or annual report of some companies and all those, everything you can do. That all those will be come up later. I just give in the overview how we can do, because you want to do that, you know, that customization thing. Excuse me, ma'am. Hello? 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 Okay. So these are the things are there, like, you know, that you can change or all those things. Fine. After that, we'll be learning one more thing that is called wrap text. Wrap means, you know, two or more text will be wrapping, right? Say for example, let's say this is Aman and Sony. This is one my friend Aman Sony. Now I'll go here and I'll be selecting the wrap text. Okay, wait. Aman Sony. Now I'll go here and I'll select the, so both will be clubbed together. So with the up one, it will be adding with the down one actually. Just a minute. It's not coming. Anyways, that, you know, wrap text is the main function of this. Let's say they're having a very big line is there, right? Let's say Cisco telepresence. They're having a thing. Now it's a, you know, taking that two cell. Can you see here, ma'am?
Yeah.
So now I'll be going to the wrap text. Now it will be coming like this. Fine.
Okay, so it doesn't work on two cells.
Two or more. Let's say like, you know, very big you have wrote today's sales was not so good, work on product. Fine. So it had taken so many cells. Can you see here, ma'am? So you'll be going here and wrap text. So it will be coming in two lines. Is that fine, ma'am? Hello?
Screen is gone. Yeah, but the Excel sheet screen is gone.
No, you can see it actually.
Excel sheet is gone, Pratap.
Is that fine now?
Yes, now.
Yes. So the thing is, this is all about the wrapping. Wrapping is nothing but, you know, clubbing them together, the text and all this. So now, like from the beginning, I will do revision once. So this is that website content, how we'll be tagging, how we'll be inserting that comments, how you'll be finding about that go to command, selecting that row and column. So this is the things we have worked with, and then center, merge, and all those things. Now, say for example, this is that documents we have selected, right? I mean, this is the database we have selected. Fine. Now we want to give some special looks on this. We'll be going here, and we can give here some look like border. Can you see here, ma'am? We have given some border. Now it is highlighting more and it is looking for better, right? Like that.
Yeah.
Let's say you can take that some new cells, and you can put like student, and then you can put the data, roll number, then you can put here marks, then class, then school name. Now how we'll be selecting control and after that, shift and the arrow. Now we'll be giving control B for the bold and all those things. Then you can put some student, let's say Aman, Ravi, Jatin, Prakash, Hari, Santosh, Vivek, James, row, let's say 5, 6, 1, 4, 7, 9, 3, and then 2. Marks they have obtained, suppose 3 is 56 and 357. Now all are in class 6, or all are in class 5. School, let's say Don Bosco. So now if you drag, all those will be Don Bosco. Now can you see, ma'am, like it's not look is not too much interactive, or it's not so good, it is not looking so good. Now we'll be doing control shift and home. Now we can go here. This is called borders. So you'll be selecting here. Now you have to put the left border. See, is left, they're having a border. Now if you select that entire content, control shift and home, if you select here, now if you go here, adjust outside border. See, all the outside they have got border. Can you see here, ma'am? Now if you go here, if you select here, and if you go, and if you see the all borders, now see, ma'am, it's become border game. Fine.
Yeah.
So this is the borders, like you can give the border. Now like you can make your own border also. Let's say these all borders you're not liking, so you want to make by your own. So draw a border. So from where to where you want to draw, make the border, that you can do it, right, ma'am? So it's a draw your own border. After that, more borders, type of borders here, like like these and all those. Let's say you want to fill with some color. So you want to fill with some color, you want to give some color. So you can select fill effects, what type of color you want to put it, like vertical color or something, like I'll be selecting here what are the color combination I'm wanting. That also color combination I can put here. Can you see here, ma'am? Now I can give that diagonal, different type of, okay, I have selected this one and I have, okay, can you see here?
Yeah.
So this is the way you can make that more interactive, and more presentability you can make more higher. So these are the things. So how we have done, so we went there in the borders. After that, more border we went. After that, we went to that, fill, or we want that fill here, sorry. And after that, fill effects. We will be finding the effects, and they're having a color combination. What all combinations of the colors you are wanting. So based on that, you can do it. Fine, ma'am?
Yeah.
Yeah, you must do this on practice. I'll be sending that videos also. These are the thing. When will we become some senior? So this is the way you have to give that presentation for the other people. So the things will be very easy, because thing is that lot many other people will be working for the same product. They also know the commands and all those, but something extra which is not there in book also. If you purchase some online book for the Excel, these all things will not be there. So what you will be presenting, so that it will be unique from others. So that's what you will be different from others. Fine, ma'am? Even
Okay.
$15 or $17. I was checking in the books. I mean books in morning, so it's $11. I have owned that. After that, I have seen this. Nothing is there.
What? Sorry.
Yeah, I have got some book, online book. I have purchased. I want to check that what is there, but it's totally it's in loss. It's nothing there. Only the formulas whatever we are dealing with. That formulas only it is there. Because like something extra I was looking for, I have seen that book is sold out in Amazon. Nearly 1,500 selling is there in last 2 weeks. I thought something very extraordinary things will be there, but it's nothing. It's just good, they're explaining this is sale, this is row, this is column, this is these functions and all this, like that. Whatever earlier book I have sent it ma'am, that was free, but I have just downloaded. Now these people, they have got that different kind of all the books, and they have made something new, and that's what. There have nothing extra and nothing new things were there. So that was I was thinking. So what you will be doing, ma'am? So I will be giving some task. Task means you will be taking one. Let me tell you that class. Let's say you will be selecting some school. I'll be telling you one scenario. So you have to work on that, and you have to give me the report. Report means we have to find out the details. Let's say they're having a one school. There is a school. Now 300 members are there. 300 students are there. Right? Now you have to, okay, 300 will be too much. Now 30 students are there. Okay, fine. 300 students are there, and you are taking care of class 9, right? And there have 60 students, and you have to find out their progress. You have to find out the first, who stood second, and who stood third, right? After annual exam. Let me tell you scenario. They're having in a school, they're having a total 300 students are there. Now you are a class teacher for the class 9. So basically, who are the class teacher who have put, she only will be taking that mark sheet and all those for that class. Now you are having a you have got that information about that class 9, and they're having a 60 students are there. Now you have got all the marks, and you have to find out the who got first, who got second, and who got third. Also you have to find out the people who got 80% in mathematics, the people who got 70% in mathematics. You have to find out the list. Apart from that, these you have to find out the gradation, who are the people are in grade A, who are the people are in grade B, who are the people
I have to find out who is first, second, and third out of 60 class students.
That is the first thing you have to find out. Second thing you have to find out, who are the people are in grade A, who are the people are in grade B, and automatically it should switch. It should show when you'll be getting that information about 60 people, automatically that should come up. let's say I'll be telling you that.
Shall I write it down? One
Yeah,
second. I'll write it down.
Okay, okay, okay. Please.
Pratap. So, yeah.
So that like how you will be performing the task, like let me tell you, you have to make that database of that 60 people, and that 60 people, there will be name and surname will be there, name surname will be okay. Let me show you how you're going to find out. This is the student, this is the subject, let's say math, all the like minimum 6 subjects is there right nowadays.
Yeah.
Math, chemistry, then physics, computer, and like language, let's say English, like first language, second language, and all those. Third language will become up, and after that sports will be there, right? Now after that you'll be finding out some total. After that, student will be here, like student, they will be come up with the names, let's say
Yeah.
Sachin Rastogi, like that, it will be coming full name. That name also can be repeat. Let's say Sachin Rastogi is there, something Sachin Ramachandran also there. Now you also show me that data duplication also should not work. Let's say same name also there, Sachin Joshi, another Sachin Joshi is there. Maybe it could happen, but that should not reflect. That also will be showing, right, Naman? That is there. Now you'll be finding in the total, you'll be finding out who got maximum, who got minimum, and who failed, how many people are in grade A, grade B, and grade C, and how many are in failed. Now these are the, you have got that entire structure. I mean, how you are going to perform.
Yeah. The formulas to find out the first, second, and third. You said minimum and maximum formula will work, right?
Yes, right. In order to find out who got that, from the total only you can find out, right? That you can do. Also, if you want to do the condition formatting, so you'll be going to the condition formatting, and you can find the top 10 rules. So automatically it will be showing who are the people in top 10. So a lot many
conditional formatting.
Yes. So this is the way you can represent that entire data. So that will be really very much impacting that things.
Okay, so I can use conditional formatting to list the top 10.
Yes, fine. And then you can use that if function in order to find out the grade, who are the people are in grade A, grade B, and grade C.
Yeah, that I don't remember that formula. Can you just explain it?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Right now I'm doing. Let me show you something here. Let's say I'm taking 70, 80, 90, right? Now, and to find out the grade A, let's say this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now, if you give that equal to, if 70 greater than equal to 90, sorry, 90, then it will be grade A. Then you'll be putting comma again. Now you'll be putting if, oh, sorry, if greater than equal to 80, it will be 90 actually. Okay. So greater than equal to 80, then it will be B grade. Then if greater than equal to 50, then it will be C grade. See, this is the C grade automatically came. Now if you drag it, fine. Now if you change the formula here, let's say I am taking here Ram, Sam, Ram. Fine. 3% was there. So he got, what was our formula? This was the formula. If somebody got, greater than 50, so and our condition was 70. So then that's what C. Now if you put here 90, immediately it will be class A. See? Now if you put here 60, immediately it will be class C. See? Now you want to write the formula, you can write down now.
Yeah. Six is critical. Yeah, done.
Right, ma'am? So you can find out then?
Yeah.
No problem will be
Yes. Yeah.
there? Okay.
So the same formula can work on failed and fail in paths.
Everything. Yes. Let's say you can make
Okay.
that one more range here. Let's say one more range you can put it here. Say for example, like if uh, then you can give the comma, then E6 greater than equal to 30, comma, then it will be fail, right? So now anybody is there, like let's say over here Paresh, he got 36. So if you drag this one, so it will be failed, right?
False.
Wait. I have given how much for this? Fail 30, right?
30.
Yeah. Now it should come here. Fine. Now if you give increase his marks, so 60, immediately it will be class C. Fine.
Yeah.
Now you can put that conditional formatting out here. It'll go here. Now let's say top 10. Sorry, you'll go here. Top 10 was there. I want to select top 2. Now it will be going here, selecting the things, conditional formatting, go to the top 10, select the top 2 or 3. Okay, fine. The thing is that I have selected here, na. So say when I have deleted all the content, immediately all become false because there are nothing to compile, right? Now if you give 88, automatically grade will come. Fine. Now if you give here 10, that time it will be coming false. Why? Because our condition was beyond 30, right? 10 was not there, right? Now see, if you see here, now 30 was there, right? So if you make that here 25 or 20, if you make 20, then only it will be working. Otherwise it will not going to work here. See, then it is going to work. Now if you give the 55, it will be immediately it will be C. If you put that 45, immediately it will be fail. If you put 50, it will be C. Any problem, ma'am?
No.
So this is the thing actually you have to find out. Now over here, can you see here top 3 it is selecting. Now if you give that 15, it will be coming false. Also it is not. Also another one will be get highlighted. If you give the 55, so it will be there. So this is the way you can do it, and that is the tomorrow's thing I will be checking. If you have done with that today itself, you can mail me anytime. I will check it out, or else tomorrow we can give it. Okay, and tomorrow what all things I'm going to cover, let me tell you. What if and products. Some product, some if, some if I'll be doing. What if and some if. These two I'll be showing you.
Some if.
Yeah, and another 5 more shortcut, more advanced shortcut. So these are the things I'll be going to show tomorrow.
Yeah.
Fine, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Then we will.
Okay, Pratap.
Okay, so tomorrow will be sharp 9. And day after tomorrow can be 6:30 or 9. That I'll be telling you tomorrow. Fine, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Because I have in some batch from Uganda, in Africa. They start from 5 o'clock in the morning. So that's what the your time is clashing with them. And they said they will, they said they will be doing in 5 days. They are not going to finish. Again, they have extended. They said that they have enrolled for the another new course. So that's what the problem. And they just want to finish. They said that we are in hurry. We just want to finish. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Then I'll right away. I'll be sending you the videos so you can have a look for that once.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're sending it right away, right?
Right away.
If you send the video. Yeah.
Fine.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.